Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Agriculture Academy. Today we came with another lecture of series Nimra Sunda. Today we discuss about ICAR Institute and contribution of agriculture expert. First we will see ICAR Institute, IRI, Indian Agriculture Research Institute, Pusa, New Delhi, IVRI, Indian Veterinary Research Institute, Ijadnagar, UP, NDRI, National Dairy Research Institute, Karnal, CIFE, Central Institute of Fishery Education, Mumbai, Maharashtra. Then AAI, Allahabad Agricultural Institute, Allahabad, UP. Then we'll see Agricultural Research Institute under ICAR, CRI, Central Agricultural Research Institute, Port Blair, Andaman Nicobar. Then Kajri, Central Arid Zone Research Institute, Jodhpur, Rajasthan, CIAH, Central Institute of Arid Horticulture, Bikaner, Rajasthan, CIAE, Central Institute of Agricultural Engineering, Bhopal. This one also question. Then CICR, Central Institute for Cotton Research, Nagpur, Maharashtra, CIPAGT, Central Institute of Post Harvest and Engineering and Technology. It is present in Ludhiana, Punjab. Then CRIDA present at Hyderabad, Central Research Institute for Dryland Agriculture, established in 1985. Then CRIJF, Central Research Institute for Jute and Allied Fiber, that is Barakpur in West Bengal. Then CRRI, Central Institute, Central Rice Research Institute, Cuttack, Odisha. Now it is renamed as National Rice Research Institute, NRRI. Then Central Soil Salinity Research Institute, Karnal, SWCRTI, Central Soil and Water Conservation Research and Training Institute, Dehradun, Uttarakhand. CTRI, Central Tobacco Research Institute, Rajahmundry, present in AP. Then IASRI, Indian Agricultural Statistics Research Institute, Pusa. It is also present in New Delhi. Then IGFRI, Indian Grassland and Fodder Research Institute, Jhansi. This is also a question. Then IGSI, Indian Grain Storage Institute, Hafur, UP, established in 1958. This one also question asked in NET 2012. Then IIPR, Indian Institute of Pulse Research, Kanpur, UP. Then IISS, Indian Institute of Soil Science, Bhopal, MP. Then IISR, Indian Institute of Sugarcane Research, Lucknow. Then ILRI, Indian Lag Research Institute, Ranchi, Jharkhand. IIVR, Indian Institute of Vegetable Research, Varanasi, UP. Then NIRJFT, National Institute of Research on Jute and Allied Fiber Technology, Kolkata, West Bengal. Then SBI, Sugarcane Breeding Institute, it is present in Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. Then VPKS, विवेकानंद प्रभातीय कृषि अनुसंधान संस्थान, अल्मोड़ा, यूके में है ये, उत्तराखंड. Then we'll see Animal Science and Fishery Institute under ICAR, CRI. Central Avian Research Institute, Ijadnagar, CIFRI, Central Inland Fishery Research Institute, Barakpur, West Bengal. CIFT, Central Institute of Fishery Technology, Cochin. CIRG, Central Institute for Research on Goats, Mathura, UP. Then CSWRI, Central Sheep and Wool Research Institute, Abhikanagar, Rajasthan. Then NIANP, National Institute for Animal Nutrition and Physiology, Bangalore, Karnataka. Then NFDP, National Fishery Development Board, Hyderabad, present in Hyderabad. Then NBPGR, National Bureau of Plant Genetic Resource, New Delhi, established in 1976. Then NBSSLUP, National Bureau of Soil Survey and Land Use Planning, present in Nagpur, Maharashtra. Then NBAGR, National Bureau of Animal Genetic Research, present in Karnal, Haryana. Like NBPGR present in New Delhi, then NBAGR, Animal Genetic Research, present in Kalyan, Haryana, Karnal, Haryana. Then NBFGR, National Bureau of Fish Genetic Resource, present in Lucknow. Then National Bureau of Agricultural Important Microorganism, present in UP. National Bureau of Agricultural Insect Resource, Bangalore. Formerly it was known as Project Directorate of Biological Control. This is also one question. NBARI, National Bureau of Agricultural Insect Resource, present in Bangalore. Then International Institute, will see IRI, International Rice Research Institute at Manila, Philippines, established in 1960. Then CIMET, It is Mexican word which denotes International Center for Maize and Wheat Improvement at Mexico, and it is established in 1966. Then ICRDA, International Center for Agricultural Research in Dryland Area, present in Syria, established 1977. Then ICRISAT, International Crop Research Institute for Semi-Arid Tropics, present in Hyderabad, Telangana, established in 1972. It is the only international institute present in India only. Then ILRAD, International Labor for Research on Animal Disease, present in Kenya, 1973 establishment year. Then ICGEB, International Center for Genetic Engineering and Biotechnology, present in Italy and New Delhi, India. Then IBPGR, International Board of Plant Genetic Resource, Rome, Italy, present establishment in 1974. Then IMI, International Irrigation Management Institute, present in Sri Lanka. AVRDC, Asian Vegetable Research and Development Center, Taiwan. IITA, International Institute of Tropical Agriculture, Nigeria. Then CIAT, International Center for Tropical Agriculture, present in Colombia, Sri Lanka, established in 1967. Then other institute, NARM, National Academy of Agricultural Research and Management, present in Hyderabad, and this is the all training institute for agricultural scientists. Then FRI, Forest Research Institute, Dehradun. NCERT, National Council of Education Research and Training, New Delhi. Then NRCWS, National Research Center for Wheat Science, Jabalpur. Then NRCWT, National Research Center for Water Technology, present in Bhubaneswar. Now it is Directorate of Water Technology Research, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Then NRCWAR, National Research Center for Women in Agriculture Research, also present in Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Now Directorate of Women in Agriculture Research. Then PDWMR, Project Directorate of Water Management Research, Patna. Now it's Indian Institute of Water Management. Then PDPR, Project Directorate of Rice Research, Hyderabad, Telangana. Now it is renamed as Indian Institute of Rice Research, Hyderabad. Then PDMR, Project Directorate of Maize Research. Now it is renamed as Indian Institute of Maize Research. Previously it is present in New Delhi and now shifted to Ludhiana, Punjab. PWWR, Project Directorate of Wheat Research, Karnal, Haryana. Now it is renamed as Indian Institute of Wheat and Barley Research. NIOF, National Institute of Organic Farming, Ghaziabad. NCIPM, National Center for Integrated Pest Management, New Delhi. WMO, World Meteorological Organization, headquarters present in Geneva, Switzerland. And DFR, Directorate of Floriculture Research, Pune, Maharashtra. DIPA, Directorate of Information and Publication in Agriculture, present in New Delhi. Then NBB, National Biodiversity Act, passed in 2002. NBA, National Biodiversity Authority, present in Chennai, 2003, established in 2003. This is also asked question several times. National Biodiversity Authority, present in Chennai. Then NASM, National Agricultural Science Museum, New Delhi. Then DRMR, Directorate of Rapeseed and Mustard Research, Bharatpur. Then EPIDA, Agricultural and Processed Food Product Export Development Authority, New Delhi. National Agricultural Cooperative Marketing Federation, established in October 1958. NABARD, National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, establishment year asked in several exam. 12th July 1982. GATT, General Agreement on Tariff and Trade, 1947. Now it is replaced by WTO, World Trade Organization, in January 1995. Then CACP, Commission for Agriculture Cost and Prices. This CACP institute only decide the MSP price of the crops and cereals. NIAM, National Institute of Agricultural Marketing, Jaipur, Rajasthan. Then CFQCTI, Central Fertilizer Quality Control Training Institute, Faridabad. NPPTI, National Plant Protection Training Institute, Hyderabad, AP. Then DMI, Directorate of Marketing and Inspection, Faridabad, Haryana. Then ICAR Award, Hariom Ashram Trust Award, given in the field published research in crop science. Then Punjab Rao Deshmukh Women Award, given for the women agricultural scientist. Then Jawaharlal Nehru Awards, given for best work in PhD thesis and allied sciences. Then Jagi Jivan Ram Kisan Award to innovative farmers in agriculture and allied sciences. Then Chaudhary Charan Singh Awards given for excellent journalism in the field of agriculture research and development. Punjab Rao Deshmukh Women Award you have to remember for given to the women agricultural scientist, and Chaudhary Charan Singh for the excellent journalism in the field of agriculture. Then important publication related to agriculture, Kurukshetra, published by Ministry of Rural Development. Place New Delhi. Current Science, that is published by Current Science Association and Indian Academy Science, Bangalore. Then Science Reporter, CSIR, New Delhi. Then we will see Unit 4 of the book Contribution of Agriculture Expert, Dr. M.S. Swaminathan. He is the most eminent scientist of the agriculture in India. He is a wheat breeder, father of Green Revolution in India, then ex-member of Planning Commission, and World Fruit Prize awarded in the year 1987 by FAO. World Food Prize given by Food and Agriculture Organization, and he was honored as a Millennium Prize by the former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee in 88 National Science Congress held in IRI, New Delhi. Then ex-president of National Commission on Farmers of India. The book entitled Wheat Revolution. This book names also written in exam or question in exams written by him. M.S. Swaminathan received first World Agriculture Prize, that is which one? World Food Prize at 11th Global Agriculture Leadership Summit in New Delhi in October 2018. Then Norman Borlaug, he is the father of Green Revolution in the world. He was an American wheat scientist or plant pathologist awarded with Nobel Peace Prize in 1970. This is also asked. Norman Borlaug was an American wheat scientist, plant pathologist mainly. Then Varghese Khuren. Then he is the father of white revolution in India. White revolution related to milk only. Next chairman of NDDB Anand. Then brain behind the science Operation Flood. Operation Flood related to milk only. Then got World Food Prize in 1989. Then S.K. Vishal maize breeder working at CIMET awarded World Food Prize in the year of 2000 for the research of maize rich in amino acid, tryptophan and lysine, along with Dr. E. Village. Then Dr. K.L. Chadda, pomologist. Now he is working at IIHR, Indian Institute of Horticulture Research, present in Bangalore. He is the father of Golden Revolution in India. Then Dr. R.S. Paroda, forage breeder and ex-DG of ICAR. Then Amrita Patel, chairperson of NDDB Anand. Sanjay Raja Ram, international wheat breeder, awarded China's Friendship Medal in 2001. Dr. G.S. Kush, rice breeder, and he awarded World Prize for Agriculture in 2000 for his extraordinary contribution in the field of plant breeding and genetics, especially for the rice. Then we will see some question. Krida stand for, you have to search in Google or you have to answer by looking the previous slides. ICRISAT, NBPGL located in New Delhi. EPIDA full from you have to see. NABARD establishment year 1982. Then father of Green Revolution in the world, Norman E. Borlaug. Then father of Green Revolution in India, M.S. Swaminathan. Father of White Revolution in India, Varghese Khuren. Father of Golden Revolution in India, you have to see here, father of Golden Revolution, K.L. Chadda. Then father of Golden Revolution in India, the K.L. Chadda, Chaudhary Charan Singh Award given for the best journalism in the agriculture and allied field. Then Punjab Rao Deshmukh for best woman scientist. Best woman scientist. Then thanks for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such contents and share with your friends. And if you have any doubt, please comment in the comment section. Thank you.